DUOBO is the world's first simultaneous extraction of 2 coffee capsules machine, allowing convenient blending without complex processes by using 2 capsules for extraction. You can use any brand of original size capsules. With DUOBO's unique layer extraction method, precise temperature and pressure control, you have the power to craft your very own distinctive blended coffee flavors. And guess what? You can do it all from the convenience of your smartphone app. Now let's talk about DUOBO's impressive screen. This large display not only enhances your brewing experience, but also provides entertainment and valuable information while you wait. Just like curiosity propelled humans to the moon, DUOBO aims to satisfy your curiosity about new flavors. With DUOBO, you can unleash your creativity and indulge in the world of unique coffee blends. So go ahead and make your own personal coffee with DUOBO's 2 capsule and 2 shot layer blending technique. DUOBO, your gateway to endless coffee possibilities. It's delicious.